Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Loom AI for meeting summary productivity, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Go to the Loom AI website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the sign up or register button. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you regularly use. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure it meets any specified requirements for characters and length. After filling in your email and password, click on the Continue or Next button. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Loom AI. Open the email and look for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Return to the Loom AI website after verification is complete. You may now be asked to fill out your profile information. Provide your name and any other required details. Once your profile is complete, click the Finish or Submit button. You will be directed to your Loom AI dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and tools available. Look for the meeting summary features, typically highlighted on the dashboard. To use the meeting summarization feature, connect your calendar or meeting application. Follow the prompts to grant Loom AI the necessary permissions. Schedule a meeting as you normally would in your calendar application. Once the meeting concludes, return to the Loom AI dashboard. Locate and select the meeting you want summarized. Click on the summarization option and wait for the analysis to complete. Review the summary generated by Loom AI for accuracy. You can edit or adjust the summary as needed. Congratulations, you are now ready to boost your meeting productivity with Loom AI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.